How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Black Metal Rebellion. I'm your host, Jesse Morgan, aka Slammerella, and in this video I felt like showing off my winter battle jacket a little bit and kind of what I'm doing with it. I can't remember if I've actually made a video about this thing yet or not, but I guess this would be a good time to show it off. So anyways, this is my winter battle jacket behind me here. Got some studs, got some patches. And yeah, I'm just gonna flip this over and show you up close a little bit better. So on this side, this is the back. Got some Metallica and Dark Throne's Fuck Off and Die album here with the dude with the Mohawk helmet going on. Biocancer and Sodom on that side, both hand painted patches by myself. And then Massacre, the little EP they came out with after their first album, I think, In Human Condition. And then on his side, it's got The Tomb Awaits by Entrails, Blow It, a Led Zeppelin patch, mostly just because it was blue. I do actually mostly have every single Led Zeppelin album except for like the most later ones. But yeah, they're a good band, but the only reason this is on here is because it was blue. And then this Watain patch here, Black Metal Militia. On this side, mostly just because it was blue, but I do actually really like Soundgarden. So there's the Bad Motor Finger patch. And then on the bottom, this kind of big light blue Satyricon patch. So the main reason why I wanted to make this video was because, I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see this side here. Whoa, okay. So you can see some cracking there, and there was a bunch of faux leather ripping off. Some of it did rip off, and I figured I needed to somehow fix that. There's a little bit coming off on the sides here, and what I decided was to use some old dark blue kind of rubbery acrylic paint and paint over it and under it, and then kind of press the layer of faux leather kind of up against it and let it dry that way, and hopefully it would seal. And it actually kind of has been doing like a pretty decent job of sealing it. Now, I don't know if anyone's thought of doing this or not, or if they have a leather jacket they want to fix up a bit, or at least make stop falling apart a bit. Maybe consider buying some high-grade acrylic paint and just painting some layers of that on. Now, I didn't really care what color it was, so I chose dark blue, or just, it says blue on the outside, but it kind of dries a dark blue. Like it goes on this kind of light blue color you can see around that stud, but then it dries like this really dark, almost purpley looking dark blue. So yeah, I kind of went from just patching up this armpit and this armpit here, and then I just said, well, it kind of looks cool, so I said fuck it, and I started painting up around here too. Peeled off some of the fake leather that was in there, and I just replaced the peeled off parts with more paint. And then I just decided to start adding it to the shoulders and stuff, so you can kind of see the dripping effect it has on this side and on this side. I also added it to here and along here, but you can see that it's drying from that lighter blue to the darker blue. So I said, fuck, I'm gonna have to, if I really want this effect to work well and like show up a little bit better, I'm probably gonna need to buy some lighter blue. Maybe not light blue, but lighter than this, because this obviously dries really dark. So that's what's going on with the back. I guess I'll flip it over and show you what the front looks like. Okay, so this is the front, just more studs along the front there. Underneath the collar I got a black Sabbath patch. Below that is a Enslaved Frost album patch that I believe I got from the Metalhead box, so shout out to the Metalhead box for providing that. On the side, got some Dissection, and someone from Instagram suggested I get an Immortal patch for the front, but I was like, I already have one. This is the Sons of Northern Darkness Immortal patch. So yeah, and then on this shoulder, got a blue Rammstein logo patch. And then scrolling down here, I got quite a bit of space, as you can see, that I still need to fill up. But down here, I also have a Morbid December Moon coffin-shaped demo patch. That's really fucking cool, if I'm being honest. I love that. That's really neat. And then across from it, Mayhem, the Mysterious House of Satan album. And then below that, I have an old Grav Kavad logo patch. You'll just have to take my word that that's what that says. But yeah, it says Grav Kavad. They're kind of like a depressive, atmospheric, ambient black metal band that I was more into back in the day. Now I probably wouldn't really listen to it that much, but the logo is fucking insane and cool looking. And then the little kind of crescent moon thing at the bottom there is what they're trying to go for. And then I actually forgot, I do have one more patch on the bottom of this sleeve, and that is a Hazard patch, which I just kind of went over in a blue Sharpie. And then the studs all along the cuff there. It only used to be the middle studs, so I only had one layer, but now I've got like 3 layers of studs going around that sleeve and the sleeve here. So yeah, that is my winter battle jacket so far. I kind of held off showing you, I think, because there's not really much going on with it. If I do have another video of me showing off this thing, be sure to make a comment and let me know which one that was, because I totally forget. But yeah, I'm probably going to do that blue dripping stuff down this shoulder and down this shoulder as well, kind of weaving in and out of the studs, and maybe like down the arms a bit on each side, because I don't know, I really like the way that looks. And if you know my Lonely Cadaver project, you know I really like blue when it comes to that project, and my character has a affinity for blue, so I might try to incorporate more blue on this, and maybe some more backstory to my Lonely Cadaver character. I think I might do a concept album called It Came from the Blue Lagoon and kind of explain why my character is undead and has like that zombie thing going on. I was thinking of making a toxic waste thing going on in the Blue Lagoon. Switch back over to the back here. But yeah, so I figured I'd add some more backstory to that eventually and talk a little bit how the toxic waste or whatever that makes my Lonely Cadaver character undead, maybe call it Undeadium just for jokes, because lame comic book sounding names for things. But yeah, let me know what you think of this idea of maintaining your fake leather jacket with some just rubbery acrylic paint. Let me know if you like the idea of just kind of having blue slime drip down it and kind of have that look. Let me know if I've inspired you to customize your jackets or anything in any way. So that's it. That is my winter battle jacket and kind of the custom things that I've done to it and my weird way of trying to maintain it and make sure it stops falling apart, because why ditch it when you can fix it? But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. And that's it. For Glory, for the Rebel Alliance, Slamberella out.